China's explicit support for Pakistan's rise as a key regional power underscores Islamabad's growing diplomatic and strategic significance in South Asia. Beijing's reaffirmation of its all-weather partnership alongside extensive investment to the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) not only strengthens Pakistan's diplomatic trajectory but also positions it as a pivotal hub linking China to Arabian Sea. By publicly endorsing Pakistan's enhanced regional role, China signals its strategic intent to balance competing influence in South Asia while encouraging Islamabad's active engagement in multilateral forums and regional stability initiatives. Concurrently, the emerging Pakistan-Bangladesh-China triangle has also triggered a significant concern in New Delhi. Indian analysts have warned that this evolving alliance could challenge India's aspirational dominance, potentially disrupting trade, tightening borders and shifting economic leverage. Bangladesh's growing economic dependence on China, combined with military cooperation with Pakistan, reflect an expanding strategic bloc that India perceives as a direct threat. With defense budget heavily imbalanced, India at $8.7 billion versus Pakistan $11 billion and Bangladesh at $4.5 billion, the combined influence of the trio boasted by China to $30 billion capability forms a formidable counterweight in the region. These developments highlight a complex interplay of economics, security and diplomacy. Pakistan's deft balancing of relations with major power reinforcing China confidence, while Bangladesh pivot amplifies regional recalibration. Analysts stress that the potential for hybrid and conventional security challenges is growing, requiring multilateral engagement and dialogue to prevent escalations. Ultimately, China's endorsement of Pakistan and the consolidation of regional alliance signify a very statement realignment in South Asia. While India perceives these shifts as a threat, the unfolding scenario also offers opportunity for enhanced connectivity, economic integration, and stability, provided diplomacy and strategic foresight guide interactions among the major regional players.